My name is Donna Phaneuf. I am the original founding owner and lead design principal of VIA Design Architects, located here in the heart of our Norfolk Innovation Corridor. VIA is actually a living technology building lab in the middle of this corridor, in which our practices focus on architecture, site design, landscape design, interior design, and branding. When I first learned about the Norfolk Innovation Corridor forming, I not only knew that I wanted to be a part of this initiative, but that I wanted to position and locate our new headquarters and permanent home here in the center of the corridor and our downtown. When we made the decision to locate our company here in the corridor and doing a large building renovation and alteration project, we decided to deploy every economical tool available to us to help make the development possible and make financial good sense. All of us, the innovators and the entrepreneurs, love to share that which we know. And one of the ultimate goals of this corridor is to be able to share the resiliency tactics that we learn as a city with all the others on the globe that are undergoing the same sorts of conditions that we are. If you are a business type involved in any of the technology focuses that revolve around building innovations, biomedical laboratory work, resiliency design, sustainability, any of these areas of focus, this is a place for you to consider locating. It is beautiful to be here and full of people of the same interest and all trying to share the science and experimental knowledge that we're all gaining together. But furthermore, the lifestyle that one can have here is just tremendous. If you have interest in this sort of country setting, living in an urban environment, this is certainly the place for you to consider. We are a truly multimodal community here. I know I personally can boat to work. I can bike on the Elizabeth River Trail, which runs the full length of this corridor, or I can take the Tide Light Rail. Almost from my house, not quite yet. That's going to happen someday. But that light rail drops me right at the front door of my living lab here in the downtown. It just couldn't get any better. I can tell you firsthand that the number of leading edge, first time startup companies that are putting forward technology that has never existed before is all around us. And the opportunities are here. If you want it, it's here.